Hello everyone, welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to send silent messages on Instagram. So watch this video till the end. If you wish to DM someone on Instagram without causing them to receive a notification, Instagram makes it simple to share images and videos with your followers and friends. Additionally, you have the option of sending messages without notifying the receiver by sending silent message. So without any further ado, let's get started. Open your Instagram app on your device. Tap the messenger icon located in the upper right corner of the display. Here you can view all the messages. Click the chat box of the person you wish to send silent message to. To activate it, tap on message bar. Add /silent in front of message you would like to send. Tap on Send button. There you go. These simple steps will show you how to send silent messages on Instagram. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedbacks. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon on our channel so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.